Dear ladies and gentlemen, I will shortly present the 6th Language Technologies Conference, shortly called IS2008. It's organized by myself and Jožef Stefan from the biennial company. Now, just a couple of words what language technologies is. For those of you that don't know, it basically means that we use computers to process natural languages. It all started, of course, with English, but now it's been spreading to other languages, not the least Slovene. And, of course, it has many different subfields. You'll see a couple of them in what follows. The conference has been, from the start, organized under the auspices of the Slovenian Language Technologies Society. And, in fact, the society itself and the first conference took place just 10 years ago, so this conference actually marks kind of 10th anniversary of the society and of the conference. In case you're wondering why the 6th, is because we organize it every 2 years, not every year. We kind of think that maybe 2 years is just enough time for new research developments and also products to appear in Slovenia. And for the first 4 conferences, it has been a Slovenian conference. Since then, we expanded it to become an international conference, but given that it's for language technologies and we feel that this is the prime venue to present developments for the Slovenian language, we try very hard to keep it bilingual, so we have papers both in English and in Slovene. So it will take place on Thursday and Friday, and on Thursday we will have the invited talks in English and also the other talks that are being given in English and are also in English in the proceedings, and on Friday we will have papers in Slovene. For a short overview, maybe for a general audience, the most interesting are the invited lectures. We'll have 2 of them, as I said, on Friday. One will be by Marko Barodi, who's very well known in human language technology research by his concept of web as a corpus, so how to make the complete all the text available on the web as a data set for language technology research and enabling this vision. And he will talk about what he's currently engaged in, which is semantic models which are based on very large data sets on corpora. That is, in a way, text technology, whereas Tanja Schulz will talk about speech technologies, something also very relevant for Slovene, how to rapidly develop new speech processing applications for new languages or for new domains. We will have 9, for the regular papers, we have 9 papers in English on Thursday, and then on Friday we will have 12 Slovene papers, so altogether then 23 papers together with the invited lectures. We have a conference website where people can also find the abstracts, which are not only in the original language but translated, so they're bilingual, and eventually the proceedings will appear on the conference website as well. Here, just more or less randomly chosen titles from the conference, just so you get an idea what kind of things that will be presented there. In the first block you have speech technology applications, and you can see we have kind of the 2 main applications of speech technologies are speech synthesis, so how to give computer a text which it is then able to speak, and the flip side of the coin, how to get computers to recognize text which is spoken to them so they can produce text from it, or maybe do some things with the speech that they recognize. And finally, and that is a kind of the mainstay of the whole conference, is various types of databases. Language technologies are very much dependent on large data sets, annotated data sets for machine learning or for testing. So in the speech track, there will be also some papers on data sets. And on the other hand, we have text technologies. Here again, the main thing is machine translation systems, so we have some papers on that. More infrastructure technologies, for instance, part of speech, or so-called morphosyntactic tagging. And then, of course, again, resources, in this case, parallel corpora, so large data sets of parallel text, original and translations. which can be used to develop various applications from, and also an example of more applied research, which is to do with dictionary, electronic dictionary creation.